This video will demonstrate the ability of the Scalarworks low drag mount to retain zero under sharp recoil and repeated mounting and dismounting. At its core, zero hold is all about whether the red dot returns to the same spot on the target after shooting and remounting. The method used to demonstrate zero hold should reflect that. Since shooting accuracy is disproportionately affected by the shooter, ammunition, rifle, and environment, we opted for a methodology that would bypass these factors, while also being immediate and continuous, not relying on checking groups after each round of testing. For this demonstration, we created a rigid and repeatable test bed, consisting of a milling vise mounted to a platform which was screwed onto a fixed shooting bench. By using a Picatinny rail vise block in conjunction with the milling vise, we were able to effectively locate the rifle in the same position and direction throughout the test. To achieve our goal of capturing a single continuous take from the shooter's perspective, we co-witnessed a GoPro Hero 4 with an aimpoint Micro T2 on a Scalarworks LDM-110. Because the GoPro obstructed the shooter's view through the aimpoint, we employed a backup red dot sight on an offset mount for aiming during the live fire portions of the test. We used two targets for the demonstration. The first was a reference target, which served to visually check the relative position of the red dot. The second was a sacrificial target that was shot at to provide recoil while leaving the reference target undisturbed. Both targets were situated a little over 50 yards from the aimpoint Micro. To ensure a level of recoil far in excess of a typical 5.56mm AR-15, we opted for a factory FN SCAR 17S rifle, loaded with Federal M80 ball ammo. To provide a sufficient sample size, we performed 10 consecutive rounds of testing. Each round consisted of the rifle being fired 10 times at the sacrificial target to impart recoil into the red dot. The empty rifle was then reinserted into the vise, after which the low drag mount was removed and immediately reinstalled onto the top rail. No witness marks were present on the low drag mount, and no particular attention was given to how far the thumbscrew was turned. To better appreciate how well the Scalarworks low drag mount held zero during this demonstration, we magnified the original 4K footage to 200% and captured 20 still frames, one after each round of shooting and one after each reinstallation of the mount. As you can see, the position of the red dot remains unwavering. We hope you agree that this demonstration conclusively shows that the Scalarworks low drag mount exhibits superior zero-hold characteristics under repeated installations and levels of recoil far exceeding that of a typical AR-15. For more information on the low drag mount and our other high-performance firearms accessories, visit Scalarworks.com.